how to delete YouTube Shorts from your channel. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you how you will be able to delete YouTube Shorts that are uploaded in your channel. First things first, open your YouTube and open your channel. Simply click on your view channel over here. Click on manage videos and you will be redirected to the YouTube studio over here, where you could manage your different videos or different channel information. As you can see, for me, I have a few shorts over here. I have 1, 2, 3. These are 3 shorts that I have over here. And to be able to delete them, simply click on options. And as you can see here, there will be the option delete forever. Simply select that and you will be able to click on delete this. As you can see, I understand that deleting is permanent, and click on delete forever and you will be able to remove that video from your YouTube channel forever. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.